Hi everyone, welcome back to JUENFO Kitchen, where we just enjoy food. So let's enjoy some lemon pepper wings. We're gonna start by seasoning our wings. So for my seasonings, I have a pack of chicken seasoning here, and this is about a tablespoon. Of course, any chicken or poultry seasoning that you have can work. Next, I'm going to add some garlic powder, onion powder, some salt, black pepper, and lastly a little bit of paprika, and that's just regular paprika. Now if you happen to have lemon pepper seasoning, you can go ahead and use that. I personally don't buy it because it's basically the same ingredients that we have here. I'm gonna give this a good mix. I have my wings here that I've already cleaned up, and I'm gonna sprinkle on my seasoning. And I'm gonna reserve about a teaspoon to add to my flour later on. This is optional, guys, but I'm also gonna add a tablespoon of my green seasoning. And for the green seasoning, I have 2 recipes which I'll link for you above as well as in the description. I'm gonna allow these wings to marinate for at least an hour. While the wings are marinating, I'm going to start working on my lemon pepper sauce. So I have a whole lemon here which I'm gonna be zesting. And when you're zesting your lemon, try not to get the white part because we don't want our sauce to be bitter. So when you're done, guys, your lemon should look somewhat like this. And we have our zest here, which is just the yellow part. And we're gonna set this aside until we're ready to use it. Wings are done marinating. I have some flour here, which is about a cup. And I'm gonna add the rest of my seasoning that I reserved earlier on and mix that in thoroughly. Next, I'm going to coat my wings a few pieces at a time. Shake them off gently and then rest them on my plate. And try to coat them as evenly as you can, making sure that you don't leave any of those bald spots. I have some vegetable oil here that's already well hot, so I'm gonna drop my wings in. And I'm going to be frying them up in batches. Now your wings should fry up in about 8 to 10 minutes. These wings are pretty small, so they should be done in 8 minutes. Alright, so our wings are done frying. I was able to fry them in 3 batches. And now we're going to get started on the lemon pepper sauce, which is very easy. So I'm melting 2 tablespoons of butter. And I'm trying my best to use as little butter as possible since we just fried up the wings in a lot of oil. Once the butter is melted, I'm going to add the zest. and allow that to saute for a few seconds in order to release the flavor. I'm also going to add a teaspoon of black pepper, and guys, if you have fresh cracked pepper, go ahead and use that. It's so much better. I don't have any at the moment, so I'm improvising. So once that's added, I'm going to kill the heat and then add the juice of the lemon that we zested earlier. And we turn the heat off before we add our lemon juice so that the butter won't curdle. And next we're gonna pour our sauce all over our wings. And then toss. What I really love about this recipe is that the lemon and pepper flavors came through really well and they were very well balanced. You can sprinkle on a little bit more black pepper before serving, especially if you're using grounded like I did. Check out my honey garlic wings recipe. I will leave the video here on the screen, and you can help out this video by simply liking, sharing and subscribing. And let's stay connected on all my other social media. Links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, live life to the fullest and just enjoy food.